I did realize that the lace was a little bit too big in the front, so I did go back and cut it at the end. Here's a better clip of the final results. As you can see, the hairline is less bulky and it looks a little bit more natural. I wasn't trying to do the whole Jayla Majette edges all over the wig thing. I mean, I'm not that good at that yet, but I think I've done a pretty good job of making it look just a little bit more natural. So now I'm showing you all how I put the needle, how I put the thread throughout the needle. Basically, I just hold the thread in between my two fingers and I just place it into the needle like that and I slide it through, as you just saw. Now I'm grabbing the scissors and cutting the thread where I wanted to end it, and then I'm going to knot the end. But this was a fail the first couple times actually, so I had to do it off camera.
Oh my gosh.
Now I'm just taking the thread and the needle and just sewing that weft back up onto that cap because, bruh, y'all seen it. It was a mess. Now I'm basically just showing you the construction of the cap because I know if you're watching this video, you probably like to just look at wigs. So yeah. I couldn't even get it into the frame really good, or at least good enough for you guys to see what I'm actually doing. But basically all I did was sew the elastic band back to the edge of the closure. You know how you can tell the difference between the end of the closure, not the end, the edges of the closure, and the part of the closure where the actual parts are and stuff. Yeah, I just sewed it onto that little line of demarcation or whatever.
Fun video to make. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, refer me to a friend, comment on this video, tell me what was your favorite part, tell me what do you like about this video, you know, yeah. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at @curlyken_, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. Stay curly.